Hello, welcome to the video. My name is Nazamuddin Emirali, and this video is going to be on CreateBank. It's a product on Warrior Plus right now, and you can get it at, I think it's up until the 7th of July for about $17. But you can check it out in my link in the description below. But let's jump right into the video of tutorial for CreateBank. So first off, go up to the dashboard and you get this screen here. You have the total created sites, articles, and campaigns. What you want to do now is go to manage websites, and you can build. I already have a website here, so what you want to do is click on website lists, and this is the name of my site here, but you're going to go up to the far right corner and click add website. And you can put in your own custom domain in this box here, or you can use a website domain. The reason for using a custom domain, I have a definition here. It says, what are the benefits of a custom domain name? Discoverability. Using a custom domain improves your search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines look at the root domain on sites. So a custom domain that reflects your brand is typically more relevant to what a user is searching for than a generic domain. If that's the case, then the site with the custom domain will likely be ranked higher. And go back to this page. So if you put in your website name here, let's say you're using a custom domain. Let's say you have Tech Giant, and that would be your techgiant.com. So that's your custom domain. Then you would get to download this template one. But for our uses now, we're going to just use the regular website name, which has the subdomain. So I chose the Tech Wizard. So I'm going to use, let's go back. So you have this Tech Wizard. This is my website, and what we want to do now is you're going to go on and add another website if you wanted, but we want to add the content now. So click on content, and this is some of the videos I have already. But if you want to create a new campaign, you're going to have a pull down menu here, website list. Go to the website drop down menu and the category list. Let's type in Windows 10. You have 4 different types of sources that you can source content. You have your own content source. You can use your done for you content source, which is interesting to look at here. This is your done for you content right here. You have all of these different done for you content in different categories. You can also have news content by keyword, search by keyword, or you can content video source where you put in the keyword and the language. So we're going to try that one first. Search for keyword, let's say computer, since my website is in the tech area. And I have English, so click submit and wait a few seconds, and Windows 10 shows up here. Now we want to manage articles. I want to show you what the website looks right away. This is actually some of the content I have. Some of it you'll notice is in English, as well as I think this is Japanese, but I think you can translate it as well. So let me show you. This tab is on monetization. You can monetize through inline keyword or ads manager. Let me show you the ads manager. You go to add advertisement. This is the website and position of the ad. These are the various positions. You can have homepage banner, header banner, Facebook pixel code, and so on. Some of it is a bit too techy for me, but it's not bad. So once you click submit, you'll be able to put in advertisements on your website. Let's go back. You can change your password. There's training videos, which are fairly basic, but they use the robot in the videos, I believe. Or you can use my video, which is a human, reviewing the CreateBank software in this video. So that's the training section. There's a bonus section as well. You can click on that later, and you can upgrade. You can upgrade the various OTO levels of the software, and you can click on support. You can get the support tab right here, and that's the support. And it's pretty good software. I haven't gone all the way through the software, but it's nice to look at this. This video is just a bit further than the demo video. Even the demo video goes just at the beginning, how to set it up. Let's walk through a bit. You can look through the categories. These are the different categories they have. They have troubleshoot, Windows 10 and PC. You can also add another category here. If you click on add category, category name, let's say hardware, and the website, and click submit. So you can just see this is the category hardware here and the website domain. And what I want to show you now is I want to show you what the website looks like. Okay, now let's take a look at the website and see what the changes that we were making in the edits. This is what the website will look like. So let's type it in. This is my this is live, and this is the website. Still needs to maybe do a little tweaks here and there, but you can see the categories, you can see troubleshooting, you see the language in Japanese there, some images that comes up, and here you go. You can play around with different templates and check out what they look like and compare and figure out the ones that you want to use. These are the big stories at the bottom, the latest news. Hi, I just want to add one thing. To translate a web page, you can go to use this cool Google extension, Chrome extension. It's called Google Translate. You can get it from the Chrome Web Store, and it's called Google Translate. You can install it, and it will translate the web pages for you. So I thought that I needed to add that at the end, so you can translate your web pages. Okay, thanks and good luck.